Imagine a life where money flows effortlessly, opportunities bloom, and financial abundance becomes your reality. Sounds like a dream, right? But Brian Tracy, a master of unlocking human potential, believes it's achievable through the power of your subconscious mind. Famed author and entrepreneur Brian Tracy demonstrated that the genius skill can be regained at any stage of life, provided one knows how to do so. A unique cognitive barrier hinders the flow of success-oriented thoughts from the brain. Without activation, individuals may struggle to generate substantial income, leading to a life ensnared in poverty. Join us as we unveil the secrets to reprogramming your subconscious for wealth and attracting the financial success you deserve. Get ready to ditch the scarcity mindset and step into a world of limitless possibilities. Brian Tracy's early life resembled that of many others. His father worked with wood while his mother taught at a school. Their income was just enough to provide for the family. Tracy recalls his childhood primarily for the constant feeling of hunger. Without funds for a prestigious university, Tracy left school and found work. Initially, he worked as a handyman, but realizing this wouldn't lead to fortune, he became a sailor, spending 8 years traveling and developing character. Upon returning, Tracy underwent a significant mindset shift, unblocking the potential hindered by his upbringing. He grasped the essence of life and entered the sales field, swiftly climbing the ladder of success. Today, Brian Tracy is an influential figure in business and personal growth, having aided millions in productivity, relationships, and financial independence. Through his insights, he aims to activate the positive attitude gene, stressing the crucial role emotions play in prosperity. A positive outlook can boost motivation, helping us tackle challenges and maintain optimism during tough times. To cultivate this mindset, consider a few key steps. Firstly, focus on your blessings to shift towards positivity. Jot them down or display them prominently, like on your fridge. Secondly, when faced with a problem, prioritize seeking solutions over dwelling on negatives, optimizing problem-solving efforts. Thirdly, surround yourself with supportive, uplifting individuals while minimizing contact with those who bring negativity. Consider rating friends on a scale of 1 to 10 to identify those worth limiting communication with. Brian Tracy emphasizes the significance of a positive attitude, contrary to some beliefs that it doesn't impact real success. Tracy advises seizing upon ideas promptly, rather than merely admiring them. He emphasizes the importance of action, noting that many people fail to act on their ideas, settling for just thinking about them. Tracy advocates immediate action upon conceiving an idea, believing it to be crucial for success. At the very least, create a notebook to jot down your ideas and carry it with you always. Understandably, not every idea will yield immediate results, perhaps not even on the second or third attempt. But persistence often pays off, typically around the 10th try. Relax and allow your ideas to guide you towards success and prosperity. Here's a valuable technique for setting goals. Obtain a notebook and list 10 goals you aim to achieve within the next year. Crucially, phrase each goal in the present tense, beginning with I and including a specific date. For instance, I will purchase a car on November 25th. This notebook should become your constant companion. Each morning, turn to a new page without reviewing past entries and rewrite your 10 goals. Consistently updating your notebook should become a daily ritual. By doing so, you'll notice shifts in your goals, the wording, and their priority, all without looking back at previous entries. Tracy assures you that practicing this exercise daily for a month can profoundly transform your life. Every time you record a goal, you're reinforcing it in your subconscious, allowing it to sink in deeper each day. By refraining from revisiting past entries, you'll witness the evolution of your goals. Some initial goals may fade as you realize their lesser importance, ultimately revealing the most essential objectives you're gradually honing in on. According to Brian Tracy, begin each day by writing down your goals. This simple practice helps program your mind, paving the way for opportunities to manifest throughout the day, bringing you closer to your aspirations. Tracy learned about the law of cause and effect from a seasoned salesman who emphasized the importance of learning from those who have already achieved success. Despite societal notions against copying, Tracy argues that ideas can be replicated, as evidenced by the multitude of banks and restaurants. Seeking guidance from individuals who have achieved the level of success you desire is key. Tracy advises aspiring wealth seekers to approach those earning 3 times their income and inquire about their strategies, as most successful individuals are willing to share their knowledge. By seeking, observing, documenting, and taking action, one can leverage the law of cause and effect to achieve desired outcomes in various aspects of life, be it financial well-being, health, or happiness. This principle can be exemplified by seeking guidance from mentors such as your boss or acquaintances of trusted friends. The law of faith, closely tied to the previous principle, asserts that one's beliefs and convictions shape their reality. Viewing the world through the lens of faith influences one's perception of reality. Our beliefs are cultivated from an early age, with a positive upbringing fostering confidence and happiness over time, as exemplified by Brian Tracy's children. Conversely, negative beliefs can constrain potential. Overcoming such limitations requires asking probing questions like, why do some people achieve more success than others? This introspection often reveals that success doesn't necessitate a college degree or substantial wealth. Rather, it hinges on developing essential skills within everyone's reach. Negative attitudes, Tracy emphasizes, are widespread misconceptions. Successful individuals, he contends, are distinguished by their habits rather than inherent qualities. Tracy underscores the significance of cultivating positive habits like goal setting, time management, continuous learning, and perseverance as they form the bedrock of success. In conclusion, the wisdom imparted by Brian Tracy serves as a beacon of hope and guidance for those striving for personal and professional fulfillment. Through principles such as the law of cause and effect, the law of faith, and the cultivation of positive habits, Tracy illuminates a path towards success that is accessible to all. By embracing these teachings, individuals can transcend limited beliefs, harness their innate potential, and embark on a journey toward realizing their dreams. As we reflect on Tracy's insights, let us remember that true success is not merely the attainment of wealth or status, but the fulfillment of one's highest aspirations and the realization of one's fullest potential. May we all find inspiration in Tracy's words and take bold steps towards creating a future defined by purpose, prosperity, and joy.